how did you, yeah, because it was just weird how, like, how often you were the imposter.
I, I don't know. It kept
Yeah,
picking me.
luck of the draw.